Greetings to the lecturer and my fellow friends. And today me and my friend going to explain about our event proposal. And me myself Suresh Rao and my partner is TASHNATH VINOD. And our event name is UTM SDG Summit 2022. Okay, this is the table of contents for our event UTM SDG Summit 2022. Okay, firstly got introduction, and second part will have lacking attributes. Third part will be about activity details. Fourth one will be about importance of attributes, and fifth will be a conclusion. Okay, for the introduction, the Sustainable Development Goals SDG are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be blueprint for achieving a better and more sustainable future for all. Sustainable Development Goals enrich our quality of life by providing new solutions to problems in health, materials, and energy usage occurring in the world. American Institute of Chemical Engineering Society emphasized the importance of SDG in University Technology Malaysia. Okay, the students are exposed to the application of chemistry knowledge in their working life. This program's main objective is to give an exposure of the importance of SDG and raise awareness of the agenda and the achievement of the SDGs for an individual to create a better world among the UTM students. This program is one-day program where consists of two sections. The first session is a workshop to brief about the SDG. The second session will be competition where students need to present their ideas based on the situation given. Okay, next one we will talk about the lacking graduates attributes. Okay, there are two lacking attributes. First one will be a scholarship skills. Students are unable to receive new ideas towards self-directed or autonomous learning because they always tend to learn what inside the syllabus only. So they can only think about inside the box only. So the second skill will be about enterprising skills. Okay, basically students are unable to identify opportunities including business sector that around them. They are not willing to take risk in this age for a better future because the lack of enterprising skill, which teaches to use innovative methods in dealing with problems and issues. Okay, the survey was conducted to study the lacking graduate attributes among the UTM students, and these are the following attributes and the results. Okay, next will be the program details. Okay, the activity name is UTM SDG Summit 2021, and the organizer is American Institute of Chemical Engineers, and the date and time will be 19 March 2022 at 8 AM to 6:30 PM, and the venue will be at Dewan Sultan Iskandar UTM, and the speaker for the event is Professor Dato Sri Dr. Zaini Ujang. Okay, these are the activity background. First one will be briefing of SDG. Secondly will be highlighting of current global issues. The third one will be distribution of current global issues as a presentation topics. The fourth one will be presentation from students. Okay, the goals for the SDG goals are to educate the UTM students about the importance of the SDG, climate action, and affordable and clean energy. Okay, there are few objectives. Objectives of our event, and these are the following objectives. Okay, the targeted participants we are expecting are mostly from chemical and energy engineering students, build and environment engineering students, and mechanical engineering students.
Alright, let's move to the next part. For presenter, we ourselves have handpicked an experienced person. It's none other than Dr. Professor Dato Sri Zaini Ujang. He's a professor at University Technology Malaysia UTM in Skudai. He served as the Deputy Vice Chancellor under the Department of Research and Innovation, as well as the Dean of the Faculty of Chemical Engineering and Natural Resources Engineering at UTM. Later on, he was appointed as Vice Chancellor of UTM. As for the activity schedule, we plan to provide breakfast to the participants from the time range 8 morning to the 9 morning. Then proceed to the opening ceremony and welcoming VIP, followed by the workshop session regarding sustainable development. Then at 1 p.m., the participants will be given lunch. At sharp 2 p.m., competition regarding presentation of current environmental issues will take place until 5 p.m. After the competition ends, the speech will be given by the guest and the prize giving ceremony will take place. At 6 p.m., it is a closing ceremony and guest will be given souvenir as token of appreciation. As we see here, there are sources of earning for this event where we could collect around 9,400 ringgit Malaysia. The following part shows the expenses before, during and after the program, which is around 9,400 ringgit Malaysia as well. It is where the earning and the expenses are in tally. The following figure is the pie chart for each aspect of expenses. Food 17.6%, transportation 6.6%, venue 4.6%, charges 14.7%, multimedia 22.5%, and finally closing 34% of total expenses. As for monitoring and evaluation, all committees need to keep in touch regarding each other's progress in their respective tasks. Each preparation need to be performed. All members of our group are the high committees for this event. The posts are director, vice director, secretary, vice secretary and treasurer. To secure a considerable amount of sponsorship, we should ask for our club advisor regarding to his or her contact on companies that conduct operations that are closely related to our team. Assign an auditor to audit an event. An auditor need to check our progress from time to time and ensure that our tasks are following the timeline generated by our team. An auditor also need to take note of the problems occurred before, during and after our event and provide suggestions regarding further improvement for the enhancement of future event. The following table is an example for secretary post about the update on the progress for all the tasks before, during and after our event are often prepared in the program report and be tabulated as follows. And the next table shows the treasurer that should make an update on the progress for the all tasks before, during and after our event are often prepared in the program report and can be tabulated as follows. Moreover, the survey conducted after the event and it was concluded that the targeted skills that have been achieved by the participants, and we came to know that the team working and leadership skills holds the higher vote, followed by the communication skills, global citizen and so on. As for the importance for those important attributes, especially for the participants, by working as a group in the competition, they can develop their communication skills. This approach works because the participants are split into groups composed of individuals with distinct backgrounds. The circumstances will be new to them because they will use to build their group up with people they know well before this. Communication plays an important role in a team as they must connect among their teammates to win the competition. In addition, teamwork can be improved for the participants by interacting in teams in the competition segment. The key element in this competition is teamwork, as it allows the participants to give presentation in a short time. This mission only can be done as the time is limited when they work in a team. The program will allow the participant improve their global citizen skills abilities. Participants will get updated on the priorities of sustainable development through the workshop portion of the program, which is one of the significant current topic that should be known to everyone. At the same time, to ensure they understand better, they will also be tasked with presenting current issues related to SDG. As for the conclusion, this program is specifically intended to inform students through the workshop session on the current issues related to Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, which consists of 17 goals. In addition, in the competition segment, this program will be a platform for the students to demonstrate their creativity and innovation. Furthermore, this program will provide an opportunity for leaders to learn about SDGs and to present their ideas about SDGs. While the SDG was previously introduced, the implementation is still in progress. As far as possible, the SDGs should be concentrated on encouraging people to demand good governance and policies in their own countries and globally. The goal that help SDGs should be easy, accessible, and observable in order to make this happen. Finally, we are sure that this program definitely be a success if the implement is in the right way, help the student to achieve and improve their